It's time to reset my life. I spent a decade making wooden pens for writing, then COVID took everything away. I moved to Edinburgh, and after years as an employee, I decided to return to my beloved craft. Over the next 33 days, I'll be filming my entire journey of hard work, some side quests along the way, and publishing it all each day. And if you want to support me, like, subscribe or check out these websites. So, it is too early to drill and start making wooden pens, and I want to be respectful to my neighbors. So, in the meantime, I want to edit photos from this morning and prepare for the rest of the day. Today, wooden pens will be made from teak, walnut, acacia, 2000-year-old buck oak, and mahogany. My pen-making journey began in Slovakia in 2012. Since then, my handcrafted pens have found way into the hands of European prime ministers, presidents, Her Majesty the Queen, and even the Dalai Lama. They've graced the Dubai Expo, and each one is crafted with love in my workshop using ethically sourced wood. Look at that. Who is naming this kind of product? Dirty sucker. But I ended up with a lot of sawdust that needs to be cleaned. After a long day of work, it's time for a side quest, my daily treat. Today, we are exploring one of Edinburgh's most beautiful hidden gems. A stunning mural dedicated to Robert Louis Stevenson, featuring his famous railway carriage scene. Hope you enjoy this little adventure. Thanks for watching this video. If you like it, share it with your friends. See you again tomorrow.